Hello, Direct Khan Academy.
My name is Pavel.
And my name is Sergey.
We are from Russia. Maybe you know that there is a lot of your fans here.
But we are not one of them. We hate you.
Look at our cars. How can we love you?
We saw a lot of video from Octane Academy.
But they all looks like shit.
Check out our awesome video. We hate you all.
I'm a Russian, 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 Moscow, come on,
I'm a Russian, 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 I'm a Russian. I'm a Russian, I'm a Russian.
I keep it 100 Russian, a one-man army, a 1 on 10 fighter, no bullet have yet scarred me, no bullet can scare me. I'm tipsy over the liquor, smoke good black plastic that came from St. Peter. No longer distributing my music is what I'm hustling. Heard that Mr. Putin don't like the rhyme that I'm busting, and I'm from the land of oil and deadly nuclear weapons. We got bears in the streets holding K-47s from the land of beautiful women and the ugly too. Even cops DUI, Russians love the booze. Me and my dudes like Muslims, we hate pigs. They beat one of my fellas to death with police sticks. I'm the first man in space, I'm the one who won the war. Somehow notoriety's the only thing that I'm known for. Let me tell you who I am, black leather jacket and golden rollie on my hand. Don't you understand, man?
I'm a Russian, I'm a Russian. I'm a Russian, 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 I'm a Russian.